thanks for joining us again. We're back at the shop. We got this thing in here, which is, there's nothing wrong with it, but we got a new toy for the rollback. Well, not really a toy, but could be considered a toy. Let me see if I can get it moved where you can see it here. It's one of the exhaust operated like bag jacks, air jacks, whatever you want to call it. But this one also takes an air compressor. It's got like a tire valve in it. So we're going to test and see just how good they work. We're going to put it under my front lift kit right here and see how good it picks up my Toyota. And I'm going to put y'all on the tripod right here so you get a better angle, and we'll jack it up and see. This is set up to use an exhaust pipe, or you can use a regular air compressor, like 12 over air compressor. This was your stop air. No way to suck that. Goes to suspension. Same places so much. It may not even go up high enough to get the front tires off just because it's such places so much. They're officially off the ground right there. I need to walk around here and see. Wait right there for a minute. Steven? I thought it was off the ground. No, not yet. Alright, go a little bit more. Still got a good bit more ride. I guess it turns when it goes back and forth. Truck places so darn much. Probably. In the shop air compressor since the inside the shop here. But that's it up. See how big it picks it up. There she goes. Frame like that, they have to play it. And hold it right there. We decided to hook the air up, see if we pick up the front and the back. We ain't in the center, so see if it'll go up that high. Well off the ground, probably about 4 inches right there. The back, well, it's going low. It stops right there. Trying to tilt. That's the only downside I see to these things. They tilt and lean. So much, but we're off the ground. That vertical brake block. Front and rear is off the ground. And it's still got. Now we're going to try it on the rear of the Jeep. There it is off the ground. See if it stops leaning once you get higher. It puts more weight on the tire until it stops sliding. See, it's going up. Yep. Try to slide sideways, which is dangerous until you get so high. And it puts enough weight over there. That side's coming off the ground now, it's going to stop. See how sturdy it is right there, shaking it. Sturdy, so that's still on the ground. But if I keep going higher, it's going to pick both off. It's going to roll over. Yep. Well, that worked. Well,
see how it does. Only thing I've noticed, they start leaning sideways. Man. Slide that part, that man speed, this way. It shows the shock boot better.
Here's the stuff it comes with. It comes with a couple patches, 2 patches, and some, I guess, glue. And then it's also made you can use the exhaust, which the way my exhaust being dual, it don't work. And then it comes with a carrying case. But I appreciate it, and y'all remember to don't forget to subscribe and share and like and comment and follow us on Instagram and Facebook and all that other stuff. Alright, well, until next time, y'all have a good one.